Hello and welcome. Are you tired of feeling sluggish and weighed down by the stresses of modern life? Do you want to take control of your health and well-being once and for all? Look no further than Milk Thistle Oil, the ultimate natural solution for anyone looking to supercharge their body and mind. Hi, my name is Nancy, and today I'll tell you everything you need to know about Milk Thistle Oil. Please disagree with me. Don't believe anything you hear here. In the description of this video, you can verify for yourself the veracity of the information that is being delivered. Any questions you have, leave a comment or contact us for more information. I have some important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about Milk Thistle Oil is that you should be careful about the site you have been searching, because it has been the subject of some fakes. I left the Activation Products website in the description of this video. This ensures you get reliable information. In addition, on the official website, you will find several testimonials from people who have used it and what their real results were. On the website, at the end of the page, you will also find all the references, articles, and sources on which the production of Milk Thistle Oil was inspired. It is important that you visit the official product page to know about the refund policy, terms of use, and privacy. Also check out the most frequently asked questions by customers and get support. Remember, Milk Thistle Oil is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease. If you are pregnant, nursing, taking medication, or have a medical condition, consult your physician before using this product. So, what is Milk Thistle Oil? And does it actually work? And the answer is yes. This powerful oil is extracted from the seeds of the milk thistle plant, renowned for centuries for its incredible healing properties. It's packed with silymarin, a potent antioxidant that protects your liver from the ravages of toxins and pollutants. But that's just the beginning. Milk thistle oil also contains essential fatty acids, which help promote healthy skin, hair, and nails while supporting heart health and brain function. But the real magic of milk thistle oil lies in its ability to transform your health from the inside out. Its anti-inflammatory properties help reduce pain and inflammation, while regulating blood sugar levels and lowering cholesterol. And as if that wasn't enough, it also supports your immune system, giving you the strength and resilience you need to face life's challenges head-on. So, briefly, with Milk Thistle Oil you will get the following benefits: supports healthy liver function, promotes glowing, healthy skin, contains powerful antioxidants, lowers LDL cholesterol levels, promotes thicker, fuller hair. Of course, it's nothing magical, but when combined with a good lifestyle, it immediately accelerates the process and other health benefits. Also important for you to know, Milk Thistle Oil has no side effects. That's because your formula consisting of crucial components natural, such as silymarin, omega-6, omega-9, and many others natural elements rich in great properties, 100% natural origin. Check the label and certificate on the product on the website. Also, for Milk Thistle Oil to work, you need to take the treatment seriously. You need to take it every single day, or else you won't see great results and you'll actually get a little frustrated. You can see that initial results in the first month, but most people have better results after 3 months using this product. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people having great results with Milk Thistle Oil, and you can have results as well. However, you need to keep in mind that each body will react in a very unique way. That's a little bit obvious, but I'm telling you this so that you are realistic about your treatment and expectations. Guarantee. Visit the full page and click on the link to know more about the return policy. You can actually test Milk Thistle Oil for 60 days, and if you don't see results, if you don't like it for any reason, they will give you your money back. Remember to buy safely. Your payment will be processed by the Activation Platform, secure platform for online payment. Fill in your details correctly and receive all instructions by email or cell phone. So, I wanted to record this video, first to tell you to be careful with the website you are going to buy Milk Thistle Oil from, and also, if you do buy the product, do the exact treatment. Take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from any other person because your organism acts in a very unique way. I really hope this video helped you, and I also hope that Milk Thistle Oil actually helps you a lot to improve your life and many other benefits that this product promotes. Thanks for watching the video, and see you at the official website of Milk Thistle Oil for more information and details. Big hug, and until next time.